This is Natarajan. Welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. Today I will explain how to draw this drawing in the SolidWorks. Okay, this is already drawn in the SolidWorks. Okay, now I will explain the step-by-step procedure how to draw this 3D modeling in the SolidWorks. Okay, kindly subscribe my channel, share and press the bell icon, and you will get regular updates in the SolidWorks. Okay. Now here I move this line forward. Okay. So this is the first one. First step, edit sketch. I go to normal. I have drawn this 94 by 16, height 16, and this inclined from the top it is 9 mm, from the horizontal distance is 15 mm, from the center it is 47. Okay, now I am going to exit this sketch. Now go for box extrude. Here this width is 17 mm. Okay, நீங்கள் இது பிளைண்டை ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா பேக்வேர்டில் வரும், இல்லாட்டி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஃபார்வர்ட் போகும். ஓகே, ஓகே. Then second step is go for edit sketch. This is a sketch I have drawn. Okay, it is from here it is 44, the width is 26, from center it is 13. Draw a rectangle, give OK. Now go for box extrude, edit feature. Here the height is thickness is 16 mm, give OK. Okay, now the third one is cut extrude. Here go for edit sketch. I have drawn this from here it is 25 mm, the width is 18 mm. So I have drawn a rectangle of 18 by 25. From the center point I have drawn a circle varaஞ்சிட்டு, then I trim this the lower half. Okay, therefore only the upper part is remaining with this sketch. Then exit sketch, then go for cut extrude command. So depth is only 12 mm. Okay, if you give through all, the whole up to this total depth the material will be removed. Okay, therefore go for blind. So blind it has only the amount to be removed. Okay, total distance, at what distance the material to be removed. Okay, give OK. Okay, first I have drawn this rectangle. Then second step is drawn this rectangle. Third step is I have drawn this profile, then extruded to a depth of 12 mm. Okay, the fourth step is here I have created a plane. Go for the edit sketch. Okay, the plane எப்படி create பண்ணா, here it is a right plane. Here this one is right plane. Okay, the right plane enna profile எந்த direction இருக்கோ அந்த இதில் you can create it. Okay, so profile இந்த right side இருக்கு. Okay, so this is the right side sketch here. So I selected this right plane, exit sketch. Okay, now go for the sketch option, go for normal to. This is a sketch I have drawn. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 42 length, height is 10 mm. நான் again smart dimension போயிட்டு give 10 mm. Okay, so height is 16. Then complete the sketch. So radius is given as 8 mm. Complete the sketch, give OK. Here it will ask the box extrude la. I have selected this mid plane. So total distance is 35. Then I have selected this mid plane. From the mid plane it is 17.5 on both sides. Okay, that's why I selected this midplane. The midplane is select பண்ணனா ரெண்டு சைடு ஈக்குவலா எக்ஸ்ட்ரூட் ஆகும். Okay, this side 17.5 and this side 17.5. Okay, then give okay. Then next one is to create a plane. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு இது இருக்கு. Now go for the final is loft option. Okay, in the loft option la you have to draw two profile. Okay, so go for edit sketch. I have selected this plane here. இங்க ஒரு plane create பண்ணிருக்கேன். அந்த planeல I have drawn this semicircle. Okay, semicircle ஆட்ட வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். Okay, then I have drawn a horizontal line here. Then I selected another plane creation. In the plane inga select panni, this face I select panni, I have created another plane called plane 3 here. Then on the plane la I have drawn a sketch. Okay, so diameter is go for normal 2. Okay, so பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு clear-ஆ visible-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, so diameter is 26 and drawn a horizontal line. Okay, so I created two plane, one for the smaller circle, other one is bigger one. Okay, then go for the loft option, edit feature. In the smaller circle and the bigger select, it will automatically extrude. Okay, now go for the fillet option. Fillet la select the edge, edit feature. இந்த ஒவ்வொரு எட்ஜாக நீங்கள் செலக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா it gives fillet. Okay, then again done the fillet 3. Okay, சில எட்ஜஸ்லாம் மிஸ் ஆகிருக்கு, ஸோ அதெல்லாம் நான் ரிமைனிங் ஃபில்லெட்டில் I have done it. Okay, so this is the procedure how to draw the 3D modeling in the SolidWorks. Okay, thank you for watching the SolidWorks tutorial. Now we will meet at the next class. Okay, kindly subscribe, share and press the bell icon and you will get regular updates in SolidWorks.